What's up, guys? I'm hoping that you're having a fantastic day. Today, I put a light on the doorbell finally. And also, I used zip ties to zip those wires. Right? I zipped those wires, and I put a light on there, and it should be on right now. You can barely see it. You can't. See? Look at that. Look at that right there. And yeah, I put a zip tie there, and zip tie there, and zip tie there. There's all these connections right here, and yeah, you can turn it off as well. And look at your doorbell's off. Your not your doorbell light, but like yeah. If you need to see at night, you just turn this on, and then your party can arrive. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Let me just turn that on right there. So guys, I'm going to knock on my friend's door. Dude, what? I used to knock, but look at this. There's a light and a doorbell. Hey, what's up, dude? What's up, dude? He doesn't want to be on YouTube. I'm just kidding. It's just... Alright, let's turn that bowl off. Alright, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a brand new video.